Pat here. Alright guys, it is Thanksgiving morning and it's let's go for a ride in LeeRoy. Got them all fixed up, ready to rock and roll. Got his alignment done, got carburetor fixed, got ignition system fixed. Even took care of a couple of clunks and bangs and cruds. Turn here and go over here to this airport and ride around for a minute. Considering that this is kind of like a shakedown cruise, I don't want to get too far away from the shop in case that thing leaves me walking. Got the Coast Guard over here to the left. Over here to our left, we got our Lone Star Flight Museum. It's where they got all the old cool airplanes. What you're seeing there to your, you're seeing right there is the original Vomit Comet on static display. Engine in this car is a 305 I got off of Craigslist for $30. Didn't do anything to it but put an intake manifold, carburetor, distributor, exhaust, and stuff like that. I may have changed the oil. Transmission is a 700 R4, and I think it may have like a 355 rear gear or something like that. I'm not 100% sure. Like the trunk is making a lot of noise. Tailboard on this car is messed up. I've got a new one and a new trunk extension for it. There's where you go take your cardboard for recyclings. Yeah. What you got in front of us is old World War II barracks. During World War II, this was an active Air Force base. Over there to your to the left is that's all NASA hangars and stuff like that. My astronaut buddy will go through this gate right here when he's got to go over there to pick up his T-38 and take it for a little joyride. If you don't know, I live very close to Johnson Space Center. You know the place called, you know, where the old Houston, we have a problem. And if you don't know, let's just do a little trivia here. What was the first word spoken from the surface of the moon? And I bet money you're getting it wrong right now. It was not one small step for man, one large leap for mankind. The very first word spoken from the surface of the moon was Houston. Houston, Tranquility Base here. The Eagle has landed. Now some will say, well, no, it's not until he put his foot on the ground. Look, I'm in this car right now, riding around. My feet ain't on the ground, but you're gonna tell me I'm standing on the planet Earth, right? So I'm just saying. First word spoken from the surface of the moon was Houston. Tranquility Base here. The Eagle has landed. All right. We're rocking and a rolling and a rolling and a rocking. Oh, my co-pilot went out. I had to light him back up. Let's see where we're going this time. Again, you got the original Vomit Comet right there. Let's go down Dixie Farm Road. I'll tell you what we'll do. Why don't we drive over to my old shop and I'll show you where my old shop was. Because we're just out for a Sunday morning or Thanksgiving morning cruise. Well, I don't know. It's down the road. Let's go back to the shop. Problem is they got the railroad track screwed up. LeeRoy, go! jumping in the back, homeboy. Alright, let's go to Stinkadina. We'll be in Stinkadina for a second, then we'll come back into Houston. It's called Stinkadina because that's where all the refineries are. LeeRoy's doing good. Hang on. Your back door's open. I had to tell him that the back door on the trailer was open because that's what kind of guy Rocker Pat is. Back to rocking and a rolling and a rolling and a rocking. Oh, got a little finger going on there. Might have to back that timing deck back a little bit there. Get rid of that pingy ping. These 305s like to ping. It's because they got very small combustion chambers. Yeah, I gotta have to back that timing down. That ain't good because I cannot afford premium fuel. My buddy Ziggy down under made a comment about the roads being a little potted up and everything. And yeah, you're right, Zig. Our roads here in Houston suck. We can have a lot of money to spend on stupid ass damn concerts at the park for 4th of July and Thanksgiving parades and you know, stuff like that. You know, Christmas, New Year's parties and stuff like that, but we can't fix our damn roads. That's because we got a city hall and have had a city hall for decades that is just as corrupt as anywhere else in this country. Same thing with our county government. Nothing but crooks, grifting everything. Every 2 years we got to do a damn study on what to do with the Astrodome for $2 million stupid dollars for them to come up with the exact same thing every time. And then nothing gets done. It's all grift money. They're stealing the money. Go, LeeRoy, go! LeeRoy's breaking the law right now. He ain't got no plates. Breaking the law, breaking the law. Right turn, Clyde. Woohoo! Go, LeeRoy! May have to readdress my front end. Got a little bit of a pull to the left and might need a little bit more caster up in this bad boy. I didn't check caster yesterday. I just reset that camber so it would reset my toe. I don't want to be chewing up these 255s. Yeah, this car's got 255 60s in the front, baby. Yeah, what you normally put in the rear, I put in the front. 295 out back. 255 up front. Won't accept anything less. Woo! Spun the tires in some water. Just a race car, man. Oh, look. Now where I need to turn, idiots have got it blocked. Well, I'll just do this since I'm breaking the damn law enough. Because I don't want to sit there while I'm waiting for you to make up your mind what the hell you're going to do. That's what I'm talking about right there. That's how you fix things. You take charge. I'm a big peanut butter jelly sandwich. I got to go for a ride in my old 54. I got a little clatter and I got a little knock in the door. Thanksgiving morning cruise in the LeeRoy 54 Bel Air 2-door hardtop, all gussied up rocker pass style. We are back. That's 16 minutes of rocking and a rolling and a rolling and a rocking in all sorts of different ways. And LeeRoy has successfully made it back without a tow truck to where we started from. All right, guys, y'all keep rocking and a rolling and a rolling and a rocking. If you're having Thanksgiving dinner today, oh, he ran on. I'm going to lower that timing back so that idle drops down a little bit. If you're having a Thanksgiving today, have a happy rocking and a rolling and a rolling and a rocking turkey day. Talk to y'all next time. I don't know what we're going to drive next, but we're going to find something.